Hello everyone. So IIT Guwahati has just launched a super exciting new course, a 4-year Bachelor of Science BS program in Biomedical Science and Engineering. It is offered by Jyoti and Bhupat Mehta School of Health Sciences and Technology at IIT Guwahati. Now, this is not just a typical engineering or medical course, it is an interdisciplinary program which basically means it combines engineering, medical sciences and pharmaceutical sciences all in one. Perfect for anyone who is into both tech and healthcare and wants to work on futuristic innovations. So let's start this video and let's dive into more details like what is special about this course. So let's start this video. Now let's talk about what's so special about this course. First, you will study preclinical, paraclinical, clinical courses covering everything from basic biology to actual healthcare practices. Second, there are going to be engineering and skill development courses too. So it is not just a theory, you will pick up some serious technical skills. Third, the last 2 semesters are all about electives and projects. So you can actually choose what you want to dive deeper into. Plus, there is this amazing clinical immersion program where you will get to interact with top surgeons and doctors at medical institutes. Basically, real-world exposure right from your college days. Besides that, there are more awesome things about this course, like it is a multidisciplinary program that is all about creating the next big healthcare product innovations. You will get to learn directly in collaboration with AIIMS Guwahati and IIT Guwahati, 2 of the best institutes in the country. It brings engineers, doctors and scientists together under one roof, give you a super unique learning experience. I mean, it's an amazing course, to be honest. I did not expect something like this in India, but yeah, they bring it, they're doing good. I mean, yeah, you can choose this course. Plus, there is a wide range of opportunities to learn from actual domain experts, the people who are already shaping the future of healthcare. Now, what about career prospects? I will explain this part in detail so that you do not have to Google and know all of these things or go to Telegram or any other app to know all of these things. So I will explain this part in detail. First, drugs and therapeutics. This field is all about discovering and developing new medicines or improving the way existing ones work. Think of the entire process from researching how disease affect the body to testing how a new drug might treat them. With this course, you will gain strong knowledge in biology, pharmacology, and even chemistry plus AI, which means you can join pharmaceutical companies like Sun Pharma, Cipla, and even international ones, work in drug formulation, testing, or safety, and contribution to creating personalized medicine where drugs are tailored to individual patients, a huge trend right now. Second, biomedical devices. Here is where engineering meets medicine. This field focuses on creating devices that help diagnose or treat medical conditions, from simple tools like digital thermometers to advanced stuff like MRI machines, pacemakers, prosthetics, or even wearable health tech like smartwatches that monitor your heart rate or oxygen levels. All of it falls under biomedical devices. Thanks to the engineering modules in the program like design, prototyping, electronics, mechanics, etc., you could work on designing or improving medical machines and wearable health devices. You can be involved in testing, regulatory compliance, or even marketing of such products. You can innovate in startups or research labs, building the next big thing in health tech. So yeah, this is all about biomedical devices. Third, research and development. This is a broad field but crucial and really exciting. If you are the kind of person who likes solving big scientific problems, R&D can happen in pharma companies, hospitals, academic institutions, or private labs. With the research exposure from the course, especially in the last 2 semesters, and project-based learning, you can join as a research assistant or junior scientist in biotech, pharma, or medical institutes. Dive into studying diseases, developing vaccines, understanding genetic disorders, and many more other things. You can also go further into PhD or master programs if you want to stick with hardcore research. So yeah, this is all about R&D, I mean research and development part. Fourth, and one of my favorite part, is informatics and AI in medicine. This is the 4th one, and this is one of the hottest areas right now. It is about using data and AI to improve healthcare, things like predicting disease outbreaks, diagnosis illness through scans using machine learning, or even suggesting treatment plans based on algorithms. This course covers everything like bioinformatics, sensors, AI, health data analysis, which means you could work in health tech startups or companies using AI to transform diagnosis and patient care. You can be a part of teams developing medical softwares, apps, or databases. You can use data to help hospitals improve patient outcomes, or even build predictive tools for doctors. I mean, like it is the future. It is the future, and it should be your first priority. I mean, sorry, not first priority, but you should consider it. Like it is one of the hottest thing right now. So please go through it. Go through all the information available on Google. Like search for it, and you will notice there are many other things you can do in informatics and AI in medicine. So yeah, please check this thing. So what's the big picture? By combining biology, engineering, and computing, this course opens up way more doors than a traditional degree. Whether you want to invent, research, design, or even get into healthcare startups, you are not stuck in one path. And with big names like companies TCS, Tata, HRS Navigation, like they are already recruiting from the health tech space. So it was the best time to launch this type of course. Now let's talk about how to apply. Applications open on 25th April 2025 and close on 25th May 2025. You can apply through the official site. I have given the link in the description box and the pinned comment. Check the comment. If you have any questions or doubts, you can just mail them at this email. Now let's talk about eligibility. First, you should have appeared for class 12 in 2024 or 2025. You need to have studied physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. I mean, you should be a PCMB student. Minimum 75% aggregate marks across these subjects. The admission will be through IISER aptitude test. So all the students who have applied for the IISER aptitude test, you can also register for this course. I hope you understand this part. In summary, class 12th and first dropper students are allowed. You should be a PCMB student and 75% marks are compulsory, and you have to clear IISER aptitude test 2025. So now let's talk about quick highlights from the launch event. It's very important part, so please listen to this. Big names like Professor Devendra Jalihal, Director IIT Guwahati, Professor Ashok Puranik, Director AIIMS Guwahati, and Professor USN Murthy, Director NIPER Guwahati were there. They talked about how the future of healthcare needs people who can break traditional boundaries, combining tech, medicine, and pharma knowledge together. There is also talk that after 3 years, student might get a chance to specialize in super advanced areas like neuroscience, personalized medicine, and pharma engineering. And later, this course might even evolve into a joint degree program across IIT, AIIMS, and NIPER. Alright, now here is what I personally think about this course. Honestly, this is a actually pretty solid program. Like IIT Guwahati is not just launching any random new course. They are doing it in collaboration with AIIMS Guwahati and NIPER Guwahati, which are literally the top names in healthcare and pharma in India. That alone gives this program a lot of weight. And the fact that it blends engineering plus biology plus pharma, that's exactly where the future of healthcare is headed. Whether it's AI in medicine, wearable health tech, personalized drugs, this kind of interdisciplinary knowledge is gonna be super valuable in this generation. I also love that they are focusing on hands-on learning, especially with that clinical immersion program. I mean, interacting with real surgeons and getting practical exposure while you are still in college, that's gold. Of course, it is still a new program, so yeah, things will evolve over time. But if you're someone who is genuinely interested in both biology and technology, and you do not want to be stuck in the typical MBBS or BTech box, I would say this course is definitely worth considering. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Please join our Telegram group for all of the things I like, the updates and all. And if you have any questions regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section or you can message me on Telegram. So yeah, this is it for today. Thank you for watching.